Hello sir. For this video, I will be demonstrating how to create the spanning tree protocol, VLAN and inter-VLAN in Cisco Packet Tracer. So as you can see sir, I already plotted the topology, which is I added one router, two switch, and then 4 PC. So for the router, I use the 1941, and for the switches I use 2960. So since I have limited time only sir, I decided to plot it already before taking the record. And for the VLAN 10 is yellow, its name is admin, and then for VLAN 20 faculty naman, and then VLAN 30 is students. So for this sir, I already did the switch 1, so I'll be demonstrating how did I do the switch 2. So just hit enter, and then you can start with enable, then configure terminal, and then I also use host name para mas madaling tandaan yung name niya sir. And then VLAN 10 name is admin, exit, and then do the process again and again until you reach the last VLAN po. And then next will be in the next is the interface fast Ethernet 01, which is how we connect the PC1 to our switch using straight through, and then switch mode access, and then switch access VLAN 20, VLAN 10 I mean. And then so you can see here is I use VLAN 20 since the PC5 or the PC1 in switch 2 is the color is bluish, so that's why it's VLAN 20. And then the description or the name of our VLAN, and then spanning tree protocol, so we're just adding the spanning tree protocol here. And then you do the same to all the PC. And then you're just gonna and for the int fast Ethernet 0/24 is for switch port mode trunk, and ito naman is para mag-connect yung switch 1 sa router, sa yung switch 2 sa switch 1, para yung switch 1 magko-connect siya sa router. And then exit, and then spanning tree VLAN 10 priority. As you can see, ayan na yung mga, and then ulit-ulit lang yun hanggang sa 30, and then write memory to save it lang po. And then as you can see here, tinatry ko siyang i-test kung mag-failed ba siya using PC1 and PC2, since we're only in the VLAN pa lang, wala pa tayo sa inter-VLAN. So it's supposed to failed if magkaibang kulay yung gagamitin natin. or yung pagsenda natin ng message. And if ipo-plot naman natin yung same colors, it should be successful naman since nasa VLAN pa lang tayo. And when it comes to VLAN, we're just divisioning the network. So for the router,